I'm Radhakrishnan. My wife has been admitted here since about 1.5 months. She's basically a diabetic patient. Frequently, she used to get urinary tract infection. And this time around April, it became a bit serious because it spread around the body even up to the knee. Dr. Pratik and Dr. Lakshmikant both are helping us in extra growth removal in the kidney, etc. And also kidney stone removal and complete draining out of the infection from the kidney. So overall, it has been a very great experience with both Dr. Pratik and Dr. Lakshmikant, and I'm quite happy with this hospital, Wellnos Champion Hospital, and thank you very much, Wellnos.